Who doesn't recognize this sound? It's either from your manager asking for an update or a snacks at my place message that no one has ever seen. But wait, what if this same sound could help you file your taxes effortlessly? Introducing tax filing on Slack. No complicated tax forms, no confusion. File your taxes without leaving your workspace in under 5 minutes. All you got to do is simply enter your PAN and ClearTax will fetch 95% of your details from AIS and 26 AS like salary, rental, interest and dividend income available with the Income Tax Department. You can also upload your Form 16 provided by your HR for faster and accurate filing. By the way, if you sold any stocks or mutual funds in the last financial year, all you got to do is upload your broker statement and let ClearTax do the rest. ClearTax will then process everything and present a clear tax summary with all the details about your income, tax liability and any refunds you are eligible for. And all this while ensuring that your data remains 100% secure. Not only tax filing, you can ask any tax query with the ClearTax AI. Be it a query on tax saving or tax planning, it's like having your personal tax assistant. So, what are you waiting for? Start your ITR filing by clicking on the link shared by your company.